Hey, I'm sorry to bother you in court, but hey, on a sober court case, when someone gets into sober court, you don't suspend their license, do you?
Your Honor,
Hi, do you
Your Honor, you remember me, right?
I know, I'm sorry.
I was
I
gonna go
remember.
to the Union Gospel Mission. Right. I'm trying to move to Arizona right now, and I just don't want to have anything hanging over me up in Washington State.
Thursday for sure I can't, but Friday I'll be in a bus en route to San Antonio, so
I know that. This is a really difficult case for me because I didn't commit these crimes, and I was in custody when they both happened.
don't you have parameters that we're supposed to use for someone to get into sober court? One of those is suspending a license.
Well, last time we went through this, ma'am, it took less than 3 minutes to pull it up on the computer screen to show that I was in custody.
It's like it's got to be an 18-month probation, right?
Mm-hmm. Right. Well, I mean, how many guys have a goatee and a baseball hat running around SeaTac Airport? That's what he went off of. That's what the arresting officer went off of.
Now keep them on the short leash. So let's put them off. I'll extend it 6 months, and let's come back in a month to see what he's done.
Yeah, that didn't work out very well.
If you've done nothing in a month, you're going to stay with me. It's up to you to figure out, get done, and I want to see progress. If you've done nothing in a month, so help me, it's over.
It didn't work out very well. I mean, I went in there, stayed for a little bit, and then
Nothing's automatic. You have to call to get it done. They don't come to you. Well, you want a back rub too?
thank you.
That would be great. Okay.
That makes it a Class A misdemeanor. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews with the state of Texas. You cannot afford a lawyer be appointed to represent you, ma'am. Great.
Yes, Your Honor. On April 22nd, 2024 in Harris County, deputy was dispatched to a family disturbance report. He advised his wife, the defendant, threatened him. When asked what defendant was doing, defendant replied, "I'm looking for the guns to shoot you." Reportee advised defendant was intoxicated and began searching the home for reportee's gun to shoot him. Deputy attempted to gather a statement from the defendant, but the defendant was irate and intoxicated and refused to speak. While processing the defendant at JPC, the defendant used her leg to kick deputy in his shin, causing pain and a scratch to deputy's
Miss Majano, let's go over your history, shall we? Since 2019, criminal trespass, DWI second, where I had to revoke your bond at least 3 different times, aggravated assault of a family member, assault of a peace officer, another DWI second, another assault of a peace officer, another aggravated assault of a family member, and now a terroristic threat, and another assault of a peace officer, all while intoxicated yet again. I am now going to make your life so miserable, you're going to want to never be here again. I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to have you come here test every Monday and Thursday to prove to me that you're not consuming any kind of drugs or alcohol. Do you understand?
Yes.
The first time you consume alcohol or any kind of dope, I will put you in a rehab facility, in the jail, and it will be a minimum of 9 months, depending on how well you respond to treatment. Tell me, the prior aggravated assault of a family member, same complaining witness as this one? Apparently, the last 15 times you haven't gotten it. You're gonna get it this time.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir Husband.
You are ordered not to have any contact with,
Okay, so,
Hippolito Marquez.
so
Tell
he
me.
did call, left a message.
I don't care. I
Just want to.
don't care. You are ordered not to have any contact with this person. And I'm telling you, you will come here to test every Monday and Thursday to prove to me that you're not consuming alcohol or dope. I'm going to put a scram ankle monitor on one of your ankles to prove to me that you're not consuming alcohol. On your other one, you will get a GPS monitor. And I'm giving you a curfew of 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir. I have a GPS on my ankle already.
Good. On your other one, now you're going to get a different one to prove to me that you're not consuming alcohol. You have a nice smile and smirk on your face. At the end of this, it's going to be the other way around.
No, can I,
Don't say anything. What happened on the aggravated assault against the
So, Your Honor, also was dispatched to the residents in Harris County. The officer made contact with, the complaining witness and the defendant are married. On the day of the incident, complainant, and the defendant were out at a bar celebrating defendant beating an assault case.
always has to do with alcohol.
But see, when the complainant and the defendant returned home, the complainant was very intoxicated and belligerent. Stopped consuming so much alcohol, defendant got upset and went to the backyard. CW locked the door, defendant entered the house through the kitchen, grabbed the knife and cut the complainant.
She grabbed a knife and cut the complainant.
Yes, Your Honor, those were the allegations, and
That was dismissed.
it was dismissed because they amended conditions of community supervision to it. That was the, dismissal file of the case. At least on deeds. I'm not sure formally what exactly occurred there.
Ms. Majano, I'm going to deem you a public danger. If you violate any of these conditions, I'm going to make your bond so high, you're going to flip. Do you understand me?
yes, sir.
So we have another now Monday and Thursday. She will come here you will come here 2 times a week. Do you understand? One false move, you will stay with me. What do you do for a living, ma'am? You have an income.
My son's income, which is SSI.
Can you reach out to the Mac, please? I already have an affidavit on file. This is an affidavit that I have here that you're going to sign with me today, Ms. Majano. This is a court order that you're going to promise me that you're not going to do.
Yes, sir.
And if you do, I will have a contempt hearing. You'll be facing an additional 6 months. And I'm telling you, 1 drop of alcohol, I will hold you in contempt. slap you with 180 days, probate it for 2 years, and put you in an inpatient rehab facility. Do you understand? I don't care where the alcohol is from. If it's from hair dye, a tequila lollipop, mouthwash, isopropyl, all alcohol, anything. Do you understand? I'm now giving you a lawyer, so there's no issues. You can talk to the lawyer whatsoever. After that, you will meet with pretrial. Do not leave until you've met with pretrial services, man.
I don't have a place to live.
Let's do this. I will give you a lawyer today. You will speak to the lawyer, and then we can work out details about where.
So I spoke to, Leo,
Okay?
he lives in that, he said he's out of the home. And so he's not there anymore.
Are you talking about the house on 10599 Berkeley?
That's that. At 10, I've also moved.
That's it.
10559 Belcher. That's correct.
That's it. Okay. So I'll have you speak to the lawyer today. We'll figure out details. No alcohol. Do you understand?
I understand.
Okay. Come on.
Next judge is page 2, Veracona.